Hi everyone, welcome to today's quiz on SSC CGL Preparation for Beginners 100 MCQs. This quiz is divided into 4 sets. Set 1 Basics of SSC CGL Exam, Set 2 Quant Reasoning and English Basics, Set 3 General Awareness for Beginners, Set 4 Exam Strategy and Preparation Tips. These 100 questions will give you a strong start for SSC CGL preparation. Let's begin with set 1. Question number 1. SSG CGL is conducted by which organization? Correct answer is option B, SSC. Next question is, what does CGL stand for? Right answer is option A, Combined Graduate Level. Question number 3. How many tiers are there in SSC CGL exam? Right answer is 4. Question number 4. Which tier of SSC CGL is descriptive essay letter writing? Right answer is option C, tier 3. Next question is, what is the mode of tier 1 exam? Right answer is option B, online CBT. Which subject is not asked in tier 1? Right answer is option C, current affairs. Duration of tier 1 exam is? Right answer is option A, 1 hour. Question number 8. Negative marking in tier 1 is? Option A, 0.25. Next question is, which subject has maximum weightage in tier 2? Option A, English. Question number 10. SSC CGL tier 1 total marks? Right answer is option B, 200 marks. Which section tests vocabulary and grammar? Right answer is option A, English. Next question is, SSC CGL exam is conducted how many times a year? Right answer is option A, once. Question number 13. Eligibility for SSC CGL is minimum. It's option B, graduation. Next question is, maximum age for most SSC CGL posts, general category. Right answer is option B, 30 years. Which subject needs quick calculations? Right answer is option B, quantitative aptitude. Which tier includes DEST, data entry skill test? Right answer is option C, tier 4. SSC CGL tier 1 has how many questions? The correct answer is option A, 100. Question number 18. Which of these is a high profile SSC CGL post? Right answer is Assistant Audit Officer. Question number 19. SSC CGL comes under which ministry? It's option B, Personnel and Training. Next question is, What is the full form of SSC? Right answer is option A, Staff Selection Commission. SSC CGL Tier 2 is conducted in option B, online CBT. Question number 22. Which is the first step of preparation? Right answer is option B, no syllabus. Next question is SSC CGL exam tests mainly. Right answer is option B, aptitude skills. Next question is which section improves with daily newspaper reading? It's option B, English and GK. Question number 25. SSC CGL 2025 notification is usually released in. Right answer is option B, February or March. Now let's start set 2 Quant reasoning and English basics. Question number 1. Square of 25 is. Right answer is option B, 625. Question number 2. Which is smallest prime number? Right answer is option B, 2. Question number 3. Average of 5, 10, 15 is. Option A, 10. Synonym of rapid is. Option B, fast. Opposite of brave is. Option A, coward. Next question is 12 into 15 is equal to. Right answer is option C, 180. Next question is which is odd one out? Right answer is option C, potato. Next question is 1 kilometer is equal to dash meters. Option B, 1000 meters. Question number 9. Antonyms of artificial is. Option B, natural. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, then Z is equal to. Option C, 26. Next question is which is a verb? Right answer is option A, run. Question number 12. 75% of 200 is equal to. Option B, 150. Question number 13. 144 divided by 12 is equal to. Option B, 12. Next question is which does not belong? Right answer is option C, circle. Word meaning of eminent is. Option A, famous. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to. Right answer is option A, 25. Which is synonym of assist? It's option A, help. Next question is 1 dozen is equal to. Right answer is option B 12. Next question is 20% of 500 is. Right answer is option B 100. Question number 20. Which one is wall? Right answer is option C A. Question number 21. 180 degree is called. Right answer is option A straight angle. Next question is opposite of victory is. Option B defeat. Next question is 1 liter is equal to dash ml. Right answer is option C 1000 ml. Next question is which is odd one? Option C chair. Question number 25. Correct spelling of receive is. Right answer is option B RECEIVE receive. Thanks for watching. Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Set 3 and 4 are coming in the next video. Stay tuned.